Papa Penny argues that his lack of education does not disqualify him from leadership. He criticizes Prince Mashele in the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting video.
Chris Mashele no sungula ku twa xiphuva na xiphukuphuku xo xayinela vanhu van'wani wena u ngo u yo dyondza ngopfu mina ntswalo ni dyondzini a ni yangi ni ya dyondzisa phukuphuku namuntlha u solasola van'wani hikuva ni wena u dyondzile vuphukuphuku timali leti ti dyaku ta ku destroya vanhu na ti-organization.
This is after Prince Mashele, a political analyst, said on the video,
"We need a meritocratic political culture." You see, there's a guy called Penny Penny in parliament. The guy has not been to school, but he happens to be Shangaan, by the way, so he's from my group. The guy has never seen a classroom in his life. He is a member of parliament making laws for me. I have a master's degree. How could an idiot, I mean, let's be honest, I'm not aware of any country in the world that has turned itself from a backward country into a first world that is led by someone who has not been to school. How do you have someone in parliament who has not been to school? It doesn't matter black and white. There must be no one who has not been to school in our parliament. This can be done. Kenya, by the way, an African country, has a law. Go check it out. You cannot be a mayor of a town. You cannot be a member of parliament. You cannot be a president of Kenya without a university degree. There has to be a baseline. There has to be a baseline.
For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel at V Pride Multimedia Studio. Like, ring the bell and share.